I have a confession to make. I really don't care for green beans, but there's a restaurant in New York City that came up with a green bean appetizer that even I like. So I'm going to start by taking about 1.25 cups of Dijon mustard in a sauce pot, and I'll add a little bit of dry mustard to it, along with some Tabasco sauce and some soy and 3/4 cup of honey. And then I'm going to warm it through over low heat, and when it is completely warmed through, I'll just remove it to a bowl and set it aside. Now I've got a deep pot with oil heating on the stove. I'm going to heat it to about 350 degrees, and I've whisked 4 egg whites until they hold soft peaks. And now I will fold in 3 cups of flour very gently. And then add 2 3/4 cups of club soda and continue folding. This will give it some additional inflation. I've got a pound of green beans that I've washed and trimmed, and now I'm going to dip them in the batter and then let the excess run off and then carefully lower them into the pot. Now fry the beans in small batches and then remove them to paper towels and then salt them immediately. And then make sure the oil comes back to 350 before you do the next batch. Even this committed green bean hater loves this recipe. And I think you will too, especially with the dipping sauce. And I'll send that recipe to you free if you'll write to me here at the station, or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy link. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. And I'll see you next time.